yes, my children, they do look forward to using HeyMaths because it's visual, a lot of visuals, and it's fun. And then they can do together with their friends. So I think they enjoy it.
My K1 level students, they also enjoy it, and I find it very useful. Why? Because it's a game, and they can reinforce their learning through games. Yeah, it does help us to help the children to reinforce.
Reinforce what they've learned, because actually Mr. Heng, he has actually gone through what our curriculum from our numbers are, I think for K1 and K2 level. So he already know what are the concepts that he'll be teaching the children. So I think he used it to plan some of the HeyMaths, the lessons. Once a week.
Yeah, once a week. For my K1 students, when I started with them with the hands-on, they were very excited, and some of my children, they have prior experience with playing games. So I think HeyMaths to them is a very friendly user.
And they also can learn from their peers. Like some of them are more proficient, and you can teach their peers. They also like the challenge to go on to each level.
They also like varieties.
The varieties.
Not just
yes.
One types.
It's good to start them at K1. Then maybe if they get interested and then they're more proficient, then maybe when you go to K2 it's easier, like a stepping stone to K2. Doing it at home would be a good idea.
I think the school part, we expose them, then when at home they can do more. It's like turn taking can be, for them it's like a little bit long. They need to be patient to wait for their turns. So while at home they already can manage themselves, I think they do enjoy that.